What if I told you the very tax laws designed to fund the government are actually the most powerful wealth building tools available today? And the real secret to building wealth isn't just what you make, it's what you strategically keep. If you own rental property or you're thinking about it, you're sitting on a goldmine of tax strategy that most people, even most CPAs, completely miss. We're talking tens of thousands or even hundreds of thousands of savings over the life of your investments gone, simply because no one showed you the roadmap. By the end of this, you'll see something different. Rental property isn't just an investment, it's a tax strategy machine. I'm going to break down 5 critical areas where you're either losing money or leaving massive opportunities on the table. Let's start with the king of all deductions, depreciation. This is where things get crazy because you can have money coming into your bank account and still show a loss on paper. That's not a loophole. That's the rules. Here's how it works. You buy a property for $750,000. About 80% is the building. That's $600,000. Divide that over 27.5 years, and that's roughly $21,800 in deductions every year. And here's the best part. You didn't spend that money. It's non-cash, meaning you keep more while reporting less. That's how the wealthy play the game. But wait, it gets better. Let's talk about cost segregation. This lets you accelerate depreciation. Instead of waiting 27 years to depreciate a property fully, you pull forward 30, 40, or even 50% into the first few years. That could mean $100,000, $200,000, or even $300,000 in early deductions. Miss this, you're literally handing money to the IRS. Now let's talk about where people get burned. Repairs versus improvements. This one mistake can cost you thousands. A repair means fixing something, which triggers an immediate deduction. Improvement, that's an upgrade, which adds value. That gets spread over years. Replace a faucet, deduct it now. Renovate a kitchen, depreciate it. That's a big difference. But here's the insider move. Safe harbor rules. If an item is under $2,500, you can often deduct it immediately. No waiting. That's how smart owners win. Next, mortgage interest. Most people get this completely wrong. Rental property interest, 100% deductible, no cap. But here's the twist. It doesn't even have to be tied to the property. Use a HELOC from your home. It's still deductible if it was used for the rental. How about credit card interest? Same thing. The IRS cares about how you use it, not the source. This one insight alone can save you thousands. Now let's unlock a hidden weapon, your home office. Yes, even for rental properties, use a space regularly and exclusively. You qualify, but here's the real play. Once you have a home office, every mile from your home to your property, deductible. No home office, that's commuting, which means zero deduction. Drive 3,000 miles a year, that's over $2,000 back in your pocket. Small shift, big impact. Now let's talk about expenses most people overlook. Legal fees, deductible. Accounting, deductible. Insurance, deductible. Even lawsuits, deductible. Every dollar spent protecting your business reduces your taxes, including travel, flights, hotels, meals, all deductible if it's tied to your rental business, and even trips to find new properties. Yes, even that, but only if you document it, because the IRS wants proof, not stories. Now, here's a strategy almost no one uses. Pay your family. Kids helping clean, manage, or assist, pay them. It's a deduction for you and possibly tax-free for them. Under $16,100, they may pay zero tax. That's how you shift income legally and build wealth as a family. And let's bring this together. Rental properties aren't just assets, they are tax machines. Depreciation deduction strategy. This is how you go from overpaying to taking control. Because the truth is simple. You don't build wealth by making more. You build it by keeping more. And every dollar you keep funds your future. But here's the part most people miss. All these strategies, they fall apart if your structure is wrong. LLC, S Corp, C Corp, the entity you choose changes everything. Taxes, liability, cash flow. Get it wrong, you lose the advantage. And so if you want to see how to structure everything the right way and legally pay less in taxes, click the video on your screen. The government doesn't want you to know this about taxes. Watch it now.